Hi, I'm Giancarlo Ferraro, sales representative at Hypergrinder. Today we are going to show you EXP 850 grinder and polisher. The EXP 850 can be either remote control or autopilot. The autopilot is the feature that makes this machine the most advanced grinder in the market right now. The autopilot system allows the operator to set up the machine at the moment of the job site starting and then leave the remote control and the machine working itself. EXP 850 autopilot can be also used on the Hypercommander system. But let's talk about all the features of this amazing machine. The EXP 850 has many features. This machine comes with a 25 horsepower motor with a 20 kilowatt inverter box and with a third wheel for transport purpose. Also come with a water attachment, a water tank and a vacuum attachment for your vacuum hose. And it can be equipped with LED lights front and rear and a water sprayer. EXP 850 also comes with a 220 volt socket on the electric box. One of the most important features of the EXP 850 is the pressure control system. This pressure control system allows the operator and the Planetary to regulate and set the pressure of the head on the surface. It's also very useful during the transport operation, thanks to the battery packs mounted on board of the unit. EXP 850 can also be used manually, same as a normal walk-behind grinder. On the main panel, we have the speed control, the Planetary working direction, and the pressure control system with a double USB port, a glove compartment, and a cup holder. To switch from remote to manual is very easy. You just need to pull this pin out and unlock the wheels. Also very useful, the 4 eyeballs that comes with the machine. But the thing that makes EXP 850 so strong, durable and tough is the gear-driven Planetary made of tempered steel gears. With 850 mm working width, 33 inches, and 3 heads of 9 inches to 140 mm size, with 300 RPM up to 1300 RPM, the EXP 850 Planetary is the most advanced and most powerful Planetary on the market right now. The maintenance program of 850 Planetary requires only to regrease the pins periodically. For safety reasons, the Planetary heads are equipped with the shock absorbing system to avoid and minimize any breakage during the working operation. Our tooling mounting system is very quick and easy. Thank you for watching this video, and for any information about EXP 850 or anything that is about Hypergrinder, please email us at info@hypergrinder.com or follow us on social networks. Thank you and see you soon.